I work at a mental hospital.
Hi. Well, my name is Jimmy.
Okay.
Yeah?
Uh,
What?
you're mental.
Oh.
So, how's it going?
What?
Why are you coming here to see me?
Mommy says I'm special.
I bet.
And
Don't
she
you-
let me around, and
Do
then
you
I
like-
said, what if I get kidnapped? And she said, don't worry. Dad, bring me back.
Do you like to rub people's heads?
Mostly when they're bald.
Rub my head.
But I want
Rub my head.
to. Will you tell
Don't
me?
rub my head or I will shoot you.
Okay.
Don't touch me or I will shoot you.
Okay. So, how long have you been working here?
Couple weeks. It's too hot in this freaking thing. I'm done. I'm done with the freaking suit.
Oh, you look so